Did you know you can open 2 projects at one time here in DaVinci Resolve? If you didn't, I'm going to show you how to do it. My name's Jason Yadlovski. Welcome to Quick Tip Tuesday. Let's get into Resolve and I'll show you how to open 2 projects at once. Let's go. So I'm in DaVinci Resolve here and I want to open up 2 projects at once. Maybe I want to copy something from one project to the next. Here's how we can do it. I got a random project open here in Resolve. I want to come down to my project manager right here, the little house icon at the bottom. Once you open up the project manager, right click anywhere in here, and you want to come down and turn this on, dynamic project switching. Just go ahead and click it and it'll turn it on. Now, if I right click again, we can see right here, dynamic project switching. It is open and we can now open up 2 projects at one time in DaVinci Resolve. So if I just pick another project here, open it up, we now have 2 projects open up in DaVinci Resolve. Now to easily flip back and forth between your 2 projects, you want to come to the top of your screen here, and you'll notice now we have a little drop down right here, and we can click either project that we want to be in. So right now I'm in pre-fader metering for voiceover. If I click on this guy right here, that's the other project, media pool volume control versus timeline volume control. I just click on that, and Resolve is going to switch over and open up that other project for me, or just show that other project because it's actually already open. And the cool things we can do now, if I just select everything, copy, then I can come up here, click the little drop down, go back to my other project, and now I can paste it into my other project. So if I just come to the end of my timeline here, Command V, boom, it pastes everything in there for us. We're good to go. Easy copy and paste between projects, or any other reason you might want to have 2 projects open at once. Now, a quick little note, it may bog down your machine a little bit if you have more than one project open at a time. So let's say you want to close multiple projects that are open and you only want one project open. How do we do that? Again, you can come back to your project manager, little house icon at the bottom here. In the project manager, you can either come to your project, right click on it and say close, or if you only want one project open and you've got several open, you can just right click, come down to dynamic project switching, check that, it's going to turn it off, and whatever project is currently showing in DaVinci Resolve will be the project that is currently active, and all the other projects will be closed. It's really helpful, really useful tool. I use it all the time to open up multiple projects here in DaVinci Resolve. Did you know that one? If you did, drop a comment below and let me know. If you didn't, drop a comment and let me know that too. If you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of the community. We're almost to 100,000 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And with that said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.